Hi everyone, this is Haley's Vintage Doll channel, and today we're doing a Cabbage kid. This is a Hasbro, maybe this is a Hasbro one that was made by Hasbro, not Coleco. So this is a Crimp and curl one, and it's her Hasbro stuff. It's the first edition one of Hasbro. And it's just, as you can see here, stuff. You can do stuff with it. The wires. There's brown yarn here. There's the signature. It's blue. Two rods, and then Hasbro. Here, just see it. On the label. It's also a little bit faded. You can buy these off eBay or Etsy or a thrift store or Amazon, I guess. There's his shoes. Pink and blue. Purple and blue. Purple and pink, sorry. Shoes say CPK. Yeah, it's just wearing bloomers and a shirt or dress. No bow, yellow bow. That's just a quick video today. It's a multicoloured shirt. It's a CPK on it. Yeah. It's a curling iron. She's using it here. You can see it. Yeah, the hair's quite stiff to do stuff with it. Yeah, anyway, and she's quite floppy, so she's not like the other ones. Her body's pretty floppy, and yeah, it's her belly button. She's different to the Coleco ones, so yeah. That's about it. And thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment and share with your friends, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks, bye.